Have you ever wondered why your differential diagnosis collapses the moment you're under exam pressure, even though you thought you had it all memorized? The problem isn't you, it's how you studied. Internal medicine is massive. That's why the MedStudy Internal Medicine Board Review 2021 is a game changer. It's not just a bunch of lectures. It's a streamlined, high-yield system that trains your brain to actually think like a board-certified internist. These 16 expertly crafted video sessions cover cardiology, pulmonology, infectious diseases, nephrology, GI, hematology, endocrinology, you name it. But what makes this review so powerful is the way it simplifies complex topics without dumbing them down. Ever struggle with acid-base disorders? You'll finally understand the logic behind ABG interpretation. Can't keep autoimmune diseases straight? This course builds mental frameworks that stick fast. And it's not all theory. The clinical pearls, exam tricks, and high-yield mnemonics will help you crush your boards and level up your rounds. Whether you're prepping for your internal medicine boards, USMLE Step 2 or Step 3, or just trying to stop sweating every time you're asked about murmur types, this is the resource that actually moves the needle. Want to get the complete 16-video set and PDF study guides? Click the link in the description now to access the full course. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your study group, because no one should go through this alone.